So I work for Avnet. You might know us as a global electronics distributor, but we also create our own end-to-end software and hardware solutions. So we have 3 of those in our booth, and I'll be talking about these today. So we work with suppliers like Renesas, NXP, AMD Xilinx to create boards, developer boards that can be a starting off point for your own custom solution, or that you can use out of box as an end-to-end machine vision solution. So these are all boards that have machine learning accelerators of some sort, and I'll be talking about that. So no machine vision solution is complete without camera modules. We work with onsemi to use their image sensors and their ISP to create these camera adapters. This slide is actually already out of date. Thanks, supply chain. We have a different module. The last one on the right side, this Pi IS camera adapter, we actually have a dual camera adapter in our booth that is the 96 boards dual camera adapter. It has 2 AR0144 camera modules on it. So first off, the first one is the dual IIS camera adapter that was actually on the previous slide. In the middle, it comes with the Edge AI kit. So some questions to ask yourself when you're picking out image sensors. You need to know what resolution you need. So these AR1335 camera modules have 4K resolution. They're full color. And they also come with this ISP, the coprocessor from onsemi. So they have a dedicated ISP. All of these dual camera modules actually have a dedicated ISP because not all ISPs can support dual camera streams. So it's important to have this dual camera ISP from onsemi.